Most of you are familiar with vent covers for crawl spaces. There are 100 different ways to do that. What we did was we went out and developed just a simple, quick friction fit installation. This product, they're an inch thick. You can put two together if you prefer. But the reason we did this is it's sort of an expandable foam, and they friction fit into an 8x16 opening. We really can't make them for larger because we order large quantities of this particular size. They're actually 8 1/4 by 16 1/4, and literally in 2 or 3 seconds, 2 seconds, you can have one and seal a vent in a crawl space. Brick vents may require an additional caulking because the brick openings aren't exact. Block openings, pop it right in, friction fit, and it seals. The other thing I like about this product, it's not like the polystyrene that your guys or you may use where you buy a sheet of foam, you cut the polystyrene, foam breaks apart and falls all over the place. This foam can be cut and adapted to pretty much any size. So if I wanted to fit an opening like that, it trims to whatever size you need. That's a big deal for smaller holes and plugging openings around air conditioning vents and those things, sort of like a backer rod. But yeah, call us about these. These come, I think they're a minimum of 30 per box. And a typical commercial size, they're 400 to a box. So give us a ring if you have any questions. We also still have a hard cover, but we prefer these and leave the existing vents on the home.